Here's another 10 adjectives that you can use in your Midjourney prompts. The base image that we're going to look at is an anthropomorphic orange, and this is what Midjourney gave me. I gotta say number 4 stands out, kind of looks like the moon from Majora's Mask. They're all pretty creepy in their own way, but let's see what different words can bring to these pictures. First up, we have accursed. Already you can see sort of a gruesome undertone to each picture. I do like the effect it has on number 1. Now that could just be specific to that generation, like how it kind of completely changed it. Like, is that even an orange anymore? I know the color's still there. And then number 2 and number 4 are just spooky. Here we have the word ancient, and off the bat I can't quite put my finger on what it did to it. Oh, okay, maybe number 4 is the easiest to see. It kind of aged it a bit. I think the biggest point to take from this is that any adjective can change the prompt. Here is the word arrogant. I think number 4 is probably going to be the best example of these adjectives. You can see that tone, that emotion he has on his face. Doesn't seem like this orange has time for the other fruits. And then as far as these other images go, I don't know. Did it put this orange in a suit? Like, is that how arrogant is represented by the AI? I don't know. Here is awesome. And I would say number 2 definitely looks awesome. Number 4 I would never describe as awesome, although that is an awesome picture. Like the mouth and the nose, that looks great. And then number 1, like, that is awesome. Certainly not an anthropomorphic orange, but just goes to show you what adding some words can do. Here is the word baby, and I think it's pretty obvious what it did. It certainly just adds these gaga goo goo eyes, a very infantile expression to the faces of these oranges. I'd say it's still on the side of spooky, but that's probably from the foundation prompt. The next word is belligerence, and not quite sure what it did. I mean, number 3 is just terrifying. Like, is that vomit? Is that belligerent? I don't know. Let's move on. 4 more to go. Here is blessed. Okay, wait. Number 1, I love the orange peel that's just like covering her head. Number 2, hilarious looking eyes. And number 4, look how blessed he is. Just a happy little orange. Here is blissful. This is a pretty good example of what that word can do. It's kind of got the same facial expression on each one of them. The closed eyes with the hint of a smile. Just a very content anthropomorphic orange. Next up we have celestial, and I would say that this affects the background the most, and maybe some of the other details in the image rather than just the face itself. Like, it's got a very regal looking outfit on, adds some sort of shine and maybe some background stars to every photo. I think celestial is a good word. And last but not least is creepy, and sure enough, these are definitely creepy. I mean, the original image was freaky enough, but this adding the word creepy certainly adds a creepiness to the photo. Like, look at number 2, it's just bizarre. Well, that's it for today's video. Subscribe and check out more tutorials on the channel. Hope you're doing well, take care, and I'll see you next time.